So, optional pricing. So, ito yung mga products na yung core products nila is sinosold at a lower price, pero yung upgrades and enhancement o kung may accessories tong product na to, yon. Yung accessories ang dahilan kung bakit uh, it is being sold at a premium. So, ibig sabihin ng sold at a premium, buy or sell a product higher than usual. So, pag naka-optional product pricing ka, ang binabayaran mo doon is yung accessories or yung upgrades. So, yung mga abubot, kasi yung core nun, mababa lang o affordable yung core, but yung enhancement niya, yun ang binabayaran mo ng medyo mataas. So, yun yung mga bagong business concept, yung optional product pricing at saka yung optional product pricing. Tama ba? Baka nagkakamali tayo. Ayun, optional product pricing at saka buy and sell at a premium. Sa stocks kasi, usually sa stock kinuha yun. Yung buy or sell at premium, ibig sabihin, higher than usual. So, yun lang po.